people are doing, and therefore the kinds of states that are affected. And we've also used these tools to understand the workforce better. So this is a new paper that we're just releasing probably next week called Job to Vec. And what it does is it takes all the job postings and it converts them into vectors that we can analyze, mathematical vectors. We looked at over 200 million online job postings from Burning Glass Technologies. And then we trained a system, these huge neural net systems. We used one of these language models with over 100 million parameters. And this allowed it to understand, in some sense, what the jobs were and how they were related to each other. And we could then do some mathematical analyses on them. For instance, we could say, suppose you took a software engineer and you added some skills to the job posting and you gave them skills. I mentioned TensorFlow earlier, or Python, or other machine learning skills. What would that do to that job's prospects? And what we found was that the classifier would reclassify them from software engineer into machine learning expert and have a predicted salary that was about $6,000 higher than they were before. So we can do those kinds of manipulations of what would happen, at least according to the model, as you added skills or move people from one geography to another geography, or move them through time, or do other manipulations. So this, I think, is going to be a very powerful tool going forward to understand the workforce and what the equilibrium wages are and equilibrium demand is, using this just massive data set of 200 million online job postings.